दोस्तों, आप सबका PYQ नेक्सस में स्वागत है। मैं आदित्य वर्मा आज आपके लिए सीटेट जनवरी 2024 CDP चाइल्ड डेवलपमेंट पेडागोजी के प्रीवियस ईयर क्वेश्चंस लाया हूँ। तो चलिए एक एक करके इन क्वेश्चनों को सॉल्व करते हैं। नंबर फर्स्ट, अकॉर्डिंग टू वाइगोस्की, व्हाट इज़ द रोल ऑफ टीचर इन फैसिलिटेटिंग कॉग्निटिव डेवलपमेंट। दोस्तों, मैं आपको डायरेक्ट आंसर बताता चलूँगा। इसका आंसर है सेकंड, टू गाइड एंड सपोर्ट द स्टूडेंट्स लर्निंग थ्रू स्कैफोल्डिंग। इनको मैं हाईलाइट भी कर दे रहा हूँ ताकि आपको कोई दिक्कत ना हो। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग स्टेटमेंट अबाउट एडोलसेंस इज नॉट करेक्ट। इसमें फर्स्ट सेकंड थर्ड ये सही आंसर हैं। हमें पूछा है नॉट करेक्ट, तो इसका आंसर होगा चाइल्ड अक्रॉस डिफरेंट कल्चर अशर इन एन एक्सपीरियंस एडोलसेंस इन सिमिलर मैनर। Next question, Sujata participate eagerly in dance competition only because she is interested in winning the first prize of cash. Sujata is extrinsically motivated. Next question, in order to address the individual difference among learner, a teacher should consider difference as obvious features of human diversity. Next question, Jean Piaget believed that knowledge is constructed by the children rather than being passed passively from the environment. आप लोग नोट करते चलिएगा और साथ साथ याद करते चलिए। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, इन अ प्रोग्रेसिव क्लासरूम असेसमेंट इज डायनामिक। ये जितने भी मैं आपको आंसर बता रहा हूँ ये ऑथेंटिक आंसर्स हैं। सीटेट आंसर की से मैच करे हुए आंसर हैं, तो आपको कोई भी आंसर इधर से उधर नहीं मिलेगा, सारे आंसर एकदम करेक्ट हैं। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, which of the following process is essential in meaning making of the information received from environment and stored it further in memory? Attention. चलिए नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन की तरफ। Which of the following is an example of a question that require a student to analyze information? इसका आंसर है थर्ड, how does the author use symbolism in to kill a mockingbird? Next, assertion, teachers should constantly reflect on their own stereotype and bias. Reason, culturally responsive teaching means that teachers are reflective. इसका आंसर है फर्स्ट, both assertion and reason are true and reason is correct explanation of assertion. Next question, the central argument of Carol Gilligan's critique of Kohlberg theory of moral development is around. Answer है first, ethics of care and the feminist perspective. Next question, assertion, learning from real life problems and concrete experience gives the children multiple pathways for learning and retrieving information. Reason: development is relatively orderly and sequential. इसका आंसर है सेकंड. Both assertion and reason are true, but reason is not correct explanation of assertion. Next question. Dyslexia is a dash condition which impact learners ability to dash. तो दोस्तों dyslexia is a neurological, इसका आंसर है सेकंड, condition which impact learners ability to link sounds with symbols. Next question. A middle school teacher wants to enable meaningful learning by helping students make connections between concepts and real world application. Which of the following activity would be an appropriate pedagogical strategy? Answer is fourth. Lets the student research on a current issue in a small group and present their findings to the class. Next question. In which stage of Kohlberg moral development do children's reasoning revolve around the ethics of law? Answer is second, conventional morality. Question number 15th. Which of the following does not exemplify an inclusive classroom? The answer is fourth. Encouraging competitive ethos. Next question. Work in process. Next question. Work in progress portfolio are an effective tool for formative assessment because. दोस्तों इसका आंसर है फोर्थ. That means A, B and D. They involve student in the process of assessment. They offer insight about the progress of individual student. They offer tangible evidence of student learning. Next question. Which of the following describe a mastery goal orientation? The answer is second. Focus on improving one's skills and understanding a task. Next, question number 18th. Which of the following best describe the role of teacher in progressive education? The answer is second. The teacher provide diverse material for children to experiment and provide scaffolding as when required. Next question. Asking critical questions such as how much and in what ways are various gender represented in textbooks and media would encourage. The answer is first. Questioning gender stereotypes. Next question. According to Jean Piaget, the ability to use symbols for symbols such as letting the letter X stand for an unknown numeral development during dash and enable such children to learn dash. The answer is third. Formal operational stage, algebra and calculus. Next question. Alok shows the following behaviors: hold head in a awkward position when reading, squinting and rubbing the eyes frequently, redness, swelling of eyes, confusing letters. These can be the symptoms of potential. The answer is first, visual problem. Next question. Assertion. In an inclusive classroom, adaptation should be made in learning goals, pedagogical strategies, as well as assessment. Reason. The philosophy of inclusion advocates elimination of all individual differences through pedagogically approaches and assessment. The answer is third. Assertion is true, but reason is false. Next question. According to Lev Vygotsky, children benefit from the experience of interacting with dash while working dash their zone of proximal development. The answer is first, more knowledgeable others and within. Next, 24th question. A teacher noticed that one of her students is highly distractible and has trouble paying attention during class. Which of the following strategies would is an effective strategy in helping the student stay focused? The answer is third. Giving a timer to students for self-regulation and time management. Next question. Question number 25th. Assertion. Students are more likely to do well and stay in school if they have emotional attachment to their school and believe that they matter. Reason. Emotions play a significant role in learning. The answer is first. Both the assertion and reason are true, and reason is the correct explanation of assertion. Question number 26. Which of the following is a core principle of constructivist learning theory? The answer is third. Students construct their own knowledge through active engagement with their environment. Next question. The less able a child is to do a task, the more direction the teacher should give, and as the children can do more and more, the teacher should help less and less. Reason. Intelligence cannot be accurately measured by calculating IQ. Answer is second. Both assertion and reason are true, but reason is not correct explanation of A. Next question. Which of the following characteristics the process of socialization? Answer is third. B, C and D. That means it is a complex process, it is a multidimensional process, and D, it takes place uniquely in a different cultures. Next question. Assertion. There is no objectively definable movement when a child enters middle childhood or adolescence. Reason. Development is a continuous in nature. Answer is first. Both assertion and reason are true, and reason is correct explanation of A. Last question. An elementary classroom. An elementary school teacher can strongly influence students' development of academic self-concept by. Answer is third. Rewarding autonomy and initiative in students. तो दोस्तों मैंने आज आपको 30 क्वेश्चन कराए, 30 क्वेश्चंस। उम्मीद है आप इनको याद कर लेंगे, इनको आप नोट कर लेंगे। नेक्स्ट क्लास में मैं आपके लिए आगे वाले ईयर्स के क्वेश्चंस लेके आऊँगा, ना केवल सीटेट के, अदर एग्ज़ाम के भी। दोस्तों आपको अगर मेरा चैनल अच्छा लगा तो सब्सक्राइब करिए, शेयर करिए, बेल आइकन पे क्लिक करिए, ताकि आगे जब भी मैं कोई वीडियो डालूँ आपको प्रीवियस ईयर क्वेश्चंस मिलते रहें और आप उनको याद करते रहें। थैंक यू दोस्तों, मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट वीडियो में।